You want to get more reviews automatically after your appointments without manually following up? Then don't worry. In this video, I will show you step by step how to automate review requests in GoHighLevel so your clients can leave feedback effortlessly, even if you are completely new to GoHighLevel. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our easy tech tutorial. And obviously check the link from the description for the 30 days free trial link for the GoHighLevel and the access of the live bootcamp and some exclusive bonuses. So check that out. Now let's get back to the video. So once you are inside your GoHighLevel account, just head over to this automation here. Now click on this create workflow. Now go with this start from scratch. Now let's change the name of this workflow. So after that, just simply click on this add new trigger and search for the appointment status, or the just simply search for the appointment. Now click on this appointment status, and if you want, then you can change the name. Now keep this filter as it is and add a new filter and select for this appointment status is, and here set for the confirm. So appointment status is confirm. Then save this trigger. Now simply click on this small plus icon here to add an action and search for the request or review. You can see there is a module here and select that. Now select the type. I want to send the email, so selecting this and then click on this save. So that's it basically. Now whenever appointment will be confirmed, it will send automatically a review request to your customer. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe this channel, and let me know in the comment section how many reviews you plan to get with this automation. Now don't forget to check the link from the description, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.